So the bill high and also be a can be
open
tem not
Obianca me send them cram by me support to me. But in the last year, menene enyadwin. Say minister ne kasa do. 87.9. Ono ne Angela wo hu no. Minister no now Minua Evans is talking as a journalist. There was a way now we educate public no near can a fact. But the minister also was talking as a politician. Politician always so be taking action cry. You need to say something to condemn your opponent before you take any action on your military. In the need no na be one was a road minister. Kasa Mohano company ni na mo friends
Media General.
Montiana minister biaji mudin wadenam. Who attorney general. Social media friends. Nye media general. Attorney general sana social media from media general. Ono atumi nyina kuta no. So be prosecution no. Ono kra every day or a press conference. How come
and say kra dey so jai kakra.
Nansedi
we jai. Nano mampani can send them attorney general.
So
the reason why I be our question no.
Na even unim say na say nko ojimo dwuma mudin afiri mu nsem. Nti no mo friend media general. Obi awi akokọ kra court ho no abegina no akasa. Nti obi de ka court ni. Tumi su yasese ni nyina ama. Na nsia kra de ne ba yi. Yasese special prosecutor no kra no. Se wo man no tumi so onkokota. Oni tumi so ede. Se tumi ni nyina wo. No kra media work. Na your friend say Minister of Rules no oyebie wonwa. The woman na kan ho nam no yade. Plan work. Ye kwa sikani ye de ma wanye ye ba ho. Ye ba ne ye be hoto pa. On say sika ayi omom twasini no. Of the scene as om kan say om twa ya obi. Nkomo omudi wa akire.
Behind the scene.
Behind the scene. And now dear me yo pa no we me wo no my ye ni nyina na me de fa pa fa where didn't know where you do eto amoba no contractor ya friend nkan masa adwuma nkrofo ka ho asemo ne ye be hoto as politician na adwuma obe ye no nti wo pa de obe ya ansa wo so be pachew ene no wo koye se masa tizania wo so kan ye no ye wrong se mazana mo wo ni abla wo ye mama misika na menyeye ana sika na ani se eno ana woton excavator nu
ba so mo ka
aya o ka kire wo wa mzo maka bia che politician bi da
na se dru baby na se wo mo sika no mo tia na ma they have a way o mo ka no
one way na they have a way o mo ka na ne o si minister gina wanim press for gina won ko so se wuntu ameka ana sika na de ma me enso. So you need to happen. No to say cut ayi. Your friends say compact one when na no aton. Ko nya adwuma nya biem. Those yen na be ma han. Nti me mom there Evans contractor no my friends say minister there or kasa as a politician just to make the people know say wo mo ye bibi no many break contractors no so. But omo no makasa wache. To be honest, Minua on the other hand contractors no so nya de omoboaye. That is why me ni uni ya adwen say e ho no both contractors ni aban ni nyina omo nka no kora nya de enche na Sir John aden one more be contract no antimi anye na ye 2 years why any 10 years because of so much uska this same contractor and see ntuaka but some pa another contractor. Sir John doesn't make sense. What we pa just imagine unia de wantimi an yusu mo haba me yusu say ko 6 months yintua amuka yes skeni ho now contract so near Sunday bas ma sign 2 years ahead account Akoma FM 87.9 I want to be away there be a musi ntua amuka there be a pa another contract every day no mu rewrem obi a won niska ode ye kwan obi a ye ntua ne ka no wo san nem se tua ministers underground, directors underground. Say yen man another contract 10%.
Abando kai e de obetua.
Nani uso any ye kwan ne. So ye de obetua.
Won't be da.
say no mo kan
abande okay dey obetua
so ba Sir John
yes abai card
Ibrahim raise point bi say wa so say mami anhwe nkasa asem na both the road contractors any government appointees any politician ye hu ne oka kro ye wa ye kra the common sense ye nyina ye nim say ekwan ne so ya ye ma months days or year bi say ekwan ne say a wa na also ye dey sas kan krom say retention anade ska bi sa ni nyina ne ye say de ato ekwan ne say a eno na wo de be den ebeye ebi su kra say de amount ekwan ne say a wa beba abeye Ibrahim dey so kan was 6 months ye ekwan bi wo ye ho me say 3 months ensuo to ye eyi ni nyina Akoma FM 87 meanwhile we ko say retention ye de amano 1 year 2 years ne soin but you turn retention nyina a basis ne ye dey na audit and retention enti media Sir John your politicians ne your contractors ne technocrats ne nyina no in combine no ya hweni ya oman no na ombedi ewu
okay
Sir John na minim so obeba so but unya mama fan starting from we so combine crow from Sir John me ma small analysis ever since Akofi Job wie kwan no unim Sindis between Sindis and Dabampanyi nipa 5 na ka abo akuom so Sokoban baby I go slow no between Sokoban baby interchange ne be and any kronum nipa 7 na ewu so here along that area now almost nipa 11 na ewu ya anya speed ram ho New Jerusalem Sir John who is Sindisa omubie mu pa that is the area omubie mu pa yes menyi hu achinye ka aba obi da kai but kan kum obi a order yakoye ayi makoma 9 ayi your friend say speed rams
yeah
meanwhile e wo kan mo obi anku ni da enti say ye genuine ena bibi nim sabiel ma dwen na me show sene ye teten setisa nya panyini bi na obi betua sika amana be de wa sign Sindisa ka akum nipa eko 5 to 6 wa nya speed ram ho Sokoban ka akum nipa 6 to 7 wa nya speed ram ho nemom New Jerusalem seka bo obi o samoyante although say protector it think how you we no wa ye bi wa ha nempo Sir John say ye one kra ken adwen
mate say urban roads for say enyo mo na ye
highway because how you nya urban roads
okay
ho no kra enimimi area okay so urban roads and with Sokoman
okay
Sokoman ho no so ba bia boba kakraka no no ena wonti anya feeder roads ebe highway